The mysterious key. In the historic town of Elderton, there was an old, abandoned mansion that had stood empty for decades. The townspeople whispered about hidden secrets and treasures left behind by its original owner, a reclusive inventor named Mr. Thorne. One rainy afternoon, an adventurous woman named Clara decided to explore the mansion. As she wandered through the dusty, cobweb-filled rooms, she stumbled upon a peculiar, ornate key lying on a table in the library. Intrigued, she pocketed the key and continued her exploration. In the basement, Clara found a locked door that looked untouched for years. She tried the key, and to her surprise, it fit perfectly. The door creaked open, revealing a hidden workshop filled with strange inventions and blueprints. Among them was a large, covered object. Clara pulled off the dusty sheet, uncovering a magnificent, intricate clockwork machine. Next to it was a journal detailing Mr. Thorne's final invention, a device that could reveal the hidden truths of the past. Eager to see it in action, Clara followed the instructions and activated the machine. The room filled with a soft, glowing light, and holographic images of Mr. Thorne's life appeared before her eyes. She saw his struggles, his brilliant inventions, and the moment he decided to hide his work to protect it from those who would misuse it. Clara realized the true value of the mansion's secrets was not in treasure but in the incredible legacy of a forgotten genius. Determined to honor Mr. Thorne's memory, Clara wrote an article about her discovery, sharing the story of the remarkable inventor with the world. The mansion became a museum, celebrating innovation and inspiring future generations. Life lesson: the true value of discoveries often lies in their history and the stories they tell. English lesson: vocabulary, historic, reclusive, inventor, ornate, intricate, holographic, legacy. Grammar: use of past tense verbs: whispered, decided, stumbled, fit, revealed, activated.